diced ham, or my friends in Italy call it pancetta. So
Dish?
to your kids. This is not an Italian dish, but this is Italian meat thrown into
an American
dish. Yeah. Here's the more American part. We got the chopped bacon. I would call this like a meat lover's crescent roll pie.
Okay.
So what I did was I took a crescent roll and I flattened it, rolled the edges around to make a nice rim, as you can see there. And now I'm adding chopped bacon, chopped ham, and then we're about to add some shredded Colby Jack cheese. All right, now the best part. I kind of wish in hindsight I would have made these maybe like combined crescent rolls to make a bigger one. These will still be nice and good.
Do you roll them up?
Well, you just got to roll the edges up there to create an edge.
So it's like more like a pizza.
It's kind of like a pizza. Like a breakfast pizza. All right, now we're going to throw in the oven. We got it set to 350. We're going to put it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right.
Wow.
Let's see what we got.
Look at those. Perfectly crisp. Nice and golden. Eggs are really working.
Eggs are good. They're working. Yeah, man, that cheesy goodness. All right, I'm going to let it cool for a minute, and then we'll come back and give it a try.
All right, let's try these babies.
Let me try this one. That's good, man.
What is it? Oh, twist up?
Just a little lemon lime action. Powder.
Look at that. Get it all
Think it
mixed
needs
up
more
nice.
liquid, or you think that's...
Let's determine that in a second. What do y'all think? Do you think this needs more liquid?
Put on this?
Look at that. Missed a little spot.
Oh, yeah, there's one right there.
Yep.
Oh, I love butter.
Me too.
Do y'all love butter?
Next, we're gonna take this puppy
Yep.
straight to the oven.
Put it at 350, about 20 minutes.
Yep.
Ready?
All right, let's see it.
All right.
Wow. Look at
Ooh,
that.
that thing looks perfect.
It looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
Ooh, it smells good too.
Smells like heaven. Can
Yummy,
y'all smell
yummy.
that? Wow.
I'm sure they can.
Look at that. All right, what are we doing next?
All right, now we're gonna poke some holes. We're gonna pour some.
Not so hard. Not so hard.
Oh yeah, just soft.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Because the cake likes it soft and gentle.
That's right. It's good to be soft and gentle.
That's how I treat my wife, and she loves it.
Me too.
You didn't
On
poke
the
any
edge.
holes.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, this thing is gonna be great.
Okay. Now we're gonna take it
Oh, sweet condensed milk? You're
in
kidding.
each hole.
Just like pour it across, yeah.
Think I can just go across?
Oh,
like,
that's exactly what you do with
into
these.
the holes? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're just spreading it out now?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that. This thing's gonna be juicy and delicious.
Oh my gosh. Tell me about it. Sides right there.
Wow, let this thing cool and we're gonna take a bite.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna top it with a little whipped topping.
Oh, I love whipped topping. I could
This
eat it
is
straight
called
out.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
So just saying, I could eat it straight out.
Oh, me too. I mean, gosh, come on, it's whipped topping. And we're gonna just scatter some blueberries all over it.
Oh, this is kind of healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And great color contrast.
Put that on there. Boom.
Wow.
Let's just take a little bite.
Yeah.
Spread them around a little bit.
Yeah, cut you a piece out.
Right in the middle, right here.
Oh, you're cutting in the middle?
Yeah.
You know, this is kind of unique, but I like it.
Oopsies. Mmm. That's good.
What do y'all think he's making here, y'all? What do you think this is? This is a very unique dish. Well, it looks good.
All right, and then we're gonna take the sausage here. I got some fully cooked sausage. You can cook it yourself too if you want, but I just wanted to.
Oh, buddy. Rolling up.
All right, here we go. Gotta break them up. Just break them up. Tasty.
Yeah.
So, and you can also just cook it yourself.
Yeah.
Just need to break it up a little bit more. Look at all these little. We gotta take the cream cheese. We took some melted cream cheese, 8 ounces of it.
And just melted it,
Put
right?
it over the top. Yeah, we just melted it. All right. Now this is the most fun part for me. We're gonna take this shredded 3 cheese blend from Trader Joe's and spread it all around the top. Cheese boy. All right, so I'm gonna just spread it around.
Looks good, yeah.
Yeah, now for the top layer, we're gonna got another thing of crescent rolls. Poppity pop. All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing we did on the bottom there.
Okay.
Kind of, actually, it'd be easier
Just
than how I did it
shred
before.
it.
Just
Yeah,
roll the whole
look at
thing out.
that.
I don't know why I didn't do that before.
Wow.
I hope some of y'all are fussing at me because that was pretty dumb.
Margaret from South Dakota said you should have just done that the first
Well,
time.
Margaret, you are absolutely right. Other side of it. Boom. That was so much easier than how I did it before.
Oh, wow.
Them together. All right, so we got it all flattened, ready to go in the oven. We're
Wow.
gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 22 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come back in a minute. All right.
Oh,
Let's see how
wow.
it's looking.
Looks like
Oh
it turned
my
out
gosh.
really well.
That's like a perfect golden brown
I
right
know.
there.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, it smells so good too.
Cut that puppy open.
All right. All right, now we're gonna cut these into little squares. Ooh. But it works with the rolls too.
Yeah.
Look at those nice little squares.
Wow. Look at that little
Oh
nugget.
my gosh.
Oh, it's like perfect.
Ooh, look at
Wow. Wow.
that. Let's give it a little taste. Mmm. Well, that's really good.